It is important to pursue a balanced diet that helps the body recover from a month of fasting while also maintaining overall health. After a month of intermittent fasting, your body has adjusted to a different eating routine, and returning to regular meals should be done thoughtfully. Here's a guide on the best post-Ramadan diet to ensure a healthy lifestyle. 1. Gradual transition. After Ramadan, it is crucial to ease back into your regular eating routine. Start with smaller, balanced meals instead of jumping back into large portions. This helps your digestive system adjust without feeling overwhelmed. Try eating 3 main meals with healthy snacks in between. 2. Focus on hydration. Fasting can lead to dehydration, especially in hotter climates. Increase your fluid intake to replenish your body's hydration levels. Water is essential, but you can also consume herbal teas, fruit-infused water, and coconut water. Avoid excessive caffeine and sugary drinks, as they can lead to dehydration. 3. Nutrient-dense foods. After a month of breaking fasts with dates and heavy meals, it's best to focus on nutrient-dense foods. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet. These foods provide essential vitamins and minerals needed for recovery and vitality. 4. Include lean proteins. Proteins are essential for repairing tissues and building muscle. Incorporate sources like chicken, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, and nuts into your meals. These can be grilled, baked, or boiled, providing you with a filling yet healthy meal. 5. Whole grains. After months of lighter meals, it's important to provide your body with sustainable energy. For whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and oats. These contain fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. 6. Healthy fats. Incorporate healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats are necessary for brain health, hormonal balance, and overall well-being. However, remember moderation is key, as fats are calorie-dense. 7. Mindful eating. After a month of structured eating, be mindful of your portion sizes and eating habits. Listen to your body, and recognize when you are hungry or full. Engaging in mindful eating can prevent overeating and encourage healthier choices. 8. Limit processed foods. Post-Ramadan might tempt you to indulge in sugary or processed foods. However, it's essential to limit these as they can lead to unhealthy weight gain and negatively impact your energy levels. Focus on cooking fresh meals at home. 9. Physical activity, along with diet. Maintaining an active lifestyle is crucial. Incorporate regular exercises such as walking, jogging, cycling into your routine. This will aid digestion, boost metabolism, and improve mental health. 10. Consult a professional if you have specific dietary needs or conditions. Consider consulting a nutritionist or dietitian. They can help design a personalized eating plan that caters to your requirements. Transitioning back to a regular diet after Ramadan should emphasize balance, hydration, and nutrition. By making mindful and healthy choices, you can rejuvenate your body and pave the way for a healthier lifestyle ahead.